Hello dear student, today we are going to start class 12 chemistry unit 5 surface chemistry. In part 1, we will cover following contents: introduction of surface chemistry, definition of adsorption, distinguish between adsorption and absorption, types of adsorption, difference between chemosorption and physiosorption. So, what is surface chemistry? Surface chemistry deals with the phenomena that occur at the surface or interface. So, which area we can say surface or interface? See, see the picture. Any substance, the topmost layer are called surface area, and inside the any substance we can say the bulk area. And interface below the surface area, it is the boundary between the bulk and surface area, and the interface or surface is the represented by the separating the bulk face by the hyphen or a slash. So we can say that the surface chemistry is the branch of chemistry which deals with the phenomena that occur on surface or interface. Such phenomena including on the process of corrosion, catalysis and crystallization, etc. See in the picture, gas molecules gas molecules are accumulated only the surface of the activated charcoal. And gas molecule does not enter the in bulk areas, only the accumulate on the top layer of the activated charcoal. So that type of phenomena we can say that adsorption. Adsorption we can define as adsorption due to unbalanced attraction forces, accumulation of molecule species at the surface rather than in bulk of solid or liquid is termed as adsorption. For example, oxygen, hydrogen, chlorine, ammonia gases are adsorbed on the surface of charcoal. Next, silica gels adsorb water molecule from air. Charcoal, silica gel, metals such as nickel, copper, silver, platinum, and colloids are some adsorbents. What is your observation on the following two images? In first image, we can see that bread slice dip in tea and tea absorb on the bread slice in whole areas. But in second image we can see that the jam apply on bread slice, jam accumulate only the surface area and interface area. Jam not uh, goes inside the whole bread slice. Absorption and adsorption. Let's distinguish between these two processes and let's see the what are the difference between. It is phenomena in which substance is uniformly distributed throughout the bulk of the solid, and in adsorption the accumulation of molecule species at the surface rather than in bulk of solid or liquid is termed as adsorption. It is bulk phenomena, but adsorption it is a surface phenomena. The concentration is uniformly throughout the bulk of solid, and the concentration of absorbate increase only at the surface of absorbent. See the picture. In absorption process, substance substance goes into the inside the bulk area and uniformly distributed, but in adsorption molecules and or substance accumulate only the surface area of other substance. and increase the concentration only in surface area. Desorption. It is the process of removing an adsorbate substance from surface on which it is adsorbed. So it is the just opposite process of adsorption. Here adsorbate removed from adsorbent surface. See the picture. Next process is sorption. When adsorption and absorption both process taken place simultaneously, it is called sorption. See the picture, we can understand easily. Here some molecule of substance adsorb on the surface of adsorbent, and some molecule of substance removed from adsorbent. So both processes are taken place simultaneously, and that type of process we can called sorption. Next important term is adsorbate. It is the substance which is being adsorbed on the surface of another substance is called adsorbate. Next, adsorbent. It is the substance present in bulk on the surface of which adsorption is taken place. See the diagram. We can easily understand by the use of this picture. Here, red molecule accumulate on the surface of blue color substance. So here red, we can say that red molecules are adsorbed, and blue substance on which red molecules are accumulated, we can say that it is adsorbent. Next picture, we can see that the gas molecule, green color gas molecule accumulated on the surface of activated charcoal. So this gas molecule, green color gas molecule, we can say that it is adsorbed, and this black area part, we can say that the adsorbent. Types of adsorption. There are two types of adsorption. First, physical adsorption, and second is chemical adsorption. In physical adsorption process, adsorbate molecules accumulate on the surface of adsorbent by the weak van der Waals force and form multi layers, and in the chemical adsorption process, adsorbate molecules accumulated by the chemical bonding and form unimolecular layer. Let's see the differences between physical and chemical adsorption. In physical adsorption, force operating in case are weak van der Waals force, but in chemical adsorption, force operating are chemical bonds. So those substances are accumulated on the surface of adsorbent, those are able to form ionic or covalent bond. The heat of adsorption is low, about 20 to 40 kilojoule mole inverse. In chemical adsorption, the heat of adsorption are high, about 40 to 400 kilojoule mole inverse. The process is reversible. Desorption can be occur by increasing temperature or pressure. The process is irreversible. Effort to free adsorbed gas give different compound. So after removal of adsorbent give the different compounds. And next, fourth is it does not require any activation energy, but in chemical adsorption required activation energy. And next, it take place at low temperature and decrease with increasing temperature. So low temperature is favorable for physical adsorption. In chemical adsorption, this type of adsorption first increase with increasing temperature, then after decrease the adsorption, because it form only unimolecular layer, and after that form unimolecular layer, the adsorption process decreases with increasing the temperature. It is not specific in nature. All gases adsorbed on all solid to same extent, but easily liquefied gases are more favorable for the physical adsorption process. It is highly specific in nature, occur only by those possible to formation of chemical bonds. Next, it increase with increasing in surface area of the adsorbent. It also increases with increasing in surface area of adsorbent. Last, it form multi-molecular layer, but in chemical adsorption form unimolecular layer.